If I have to say it in one word, teaching brings happiness in my life. So, the moment I am in my class, I look at those 40 faces and I am deeply satisfied that wherever I am standing is the best place I can be. I'm brought up in such a family where the morning was through भगवान जी को भोग लगाना, चाय का भोग लगाना, बिस्किट का भोग लगाना. So I've seen my mother doing all this, my father, everybody in my family. I mean everyone so devoted. So वो तो बचपन से ही था और मुझे भी बहुत बचपन से ही भगवान से एक कनेक्ट कुछ है. I don't know what is that, but I feel that.
This is something, वो ऐसा content बना रही हैं जो आपके दिल को सच में छूता है. Something which is not very public, but is hidden under the treasures, if I may say, right? Under the treasures of mythology. तो आप ऐसे गीत और ऐसे beautiful, I'd let you speak about your YouTube channel, but I'm putting in the link of your YouTube channel for my viewers to check.
The trust on friendship, one thing, came from there. Then, no status matter nahi karta when you are friends.
Correct.
That also became very clear from there. Krishna did not mind that I am a king and I am washing feet of a man who even does not have the slippers on his feet. So, मैं जब स्कूल से आती हूँ कभी कभी इतनी थकी होती हूँ. I have a supportive family. मेरी डॉटर ही खूब सपोर्टिव है कि she is total, she can cook everything. So she is total support to me. But everyone is not that lucky.
Correct. If you're ever in Jaipur, please go check out her kitchen. As soon as I'm sure, आपकी kitchen जैसे inaugurate होती है, we have to have you. Say that again.
It's Bhojan Box.
Bhojan Box. Sweet. That's such a nice name. So Bhojan Box, that's the name of the kitchen. Oh yes, you've had all the approvals. So yes, I'm sure you've had to decide your name as well. So Bhojan Box is coming in soon in Jaipur, and please go check it out. This is a wonderful motherly family setup, and for all those who are looking for home food outside their houses, that is where you go, and that is where you experience that motherly touch in food. Hamesha.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to I Have Got a Vibe, a space where stories are slow, honest, and deeply human. Today's conversation is very special to me because my guest brings together three beautiful words: teaching, storytelling, and food, all rooted in intention and heart. She's a teacher. She runs a YouTube channel where she shares mythology and wisdom. And she's now stepping into entrepreneurship by starting her own cloud kitchen. For her, knowledge is devotion, stories are guidance, and food is love. Please join me in welcoming Ruchi Sachdeva to the podcast. Ruchi, I am so happy to have you here. How are you?
Thank you, Sonali. Ram Ram.
राम. I'm feeling so grateful. मुझे इतना अच्छा लग रहा है कि मैं आपको, I'm going to talk to you. मैं आपके साथ, आपकी जर्नी के बारे में डिस्कस करूंगी, आपकी इंस्पिरेशनल लाइफ के बारे में डिस्कस करूंगी. I think this is such a moment. रुचि, आप एक, you're a teacher at heart, right? Tell me what does teaching bring into your life? I mean, जो और कोई चीज आपकी जिंदगी में नहीं लाता. I think because you're so inspired by this concept of teaching, how does it impact your life?
So Sonakshi, if I have to say it in one word, teaching brings happiness in my life.
I'm sure.
So the moment I am in my class, I look at those 40 faces, and I am deeply satisfied that wherever I am standing is the best place I can be.
Oh,
So
nice.
every day when I'm there with 40 students, 50 students, 300 students, 700 students, I am, I feel I am the blessed one because I get associated with so many beautiful lives who has a lot to say, a lot to listen, and lots of love to give and to take. So
Love.
really, I feel blessed that I am a teacher.
I'm sure, I'm sure. क्योंकि from the way you are just so enthusiastic, just minute मैंने आपको, I spoke about teaching. I think that very minute I could see like a smile just, prop up on your face immediately. And I feel like, teaching is not just teaching for you. मुझे लगता है कि this also shapes your life. This, I think you see it as a purpose of life, which is great, right? आज की डेट में ऐसे
True.
teachers मिलना is really,
Sonakshi, I feel a teacher has a major role in shaping the child.
that's true.
क्योंकि मैं देखती हूँ कि किस तरह मेरे बच्चे, आई फील, I have taken from class nursery and till class 10th. I am taking class 10th right now. So
You want
all the children to,
I
so
know
all the,
I know your throat is not good, so please keep sipping water as frequently as you want, okay? Just feel free, all right?
I'm
I'm so
comfortable, don't
I'm
worry.
so thankful कि आपने,
Thank you.
despite not feeling well, you've agreed to speak on this podcast. I'm really grateful. So please don't feel any discomfort. जितना बार आपको पानी sip करना है, please आराम से, all right?
I'm truly comfortable, don't worry.
Thank you.
So I was telling you that Sachi mein, you are very right over there when you say that teaching can shape a child.
Correct.
एक्चुअली मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे मैंने जो अपना बायो लिखा है उसमें भी यही है, रुचि सचदेवा नेशन बिल्डर, एंड आई
Oh,
ट्रूली बिलीव इन दैट.
how nice.
वी
How
कैन
nice.
शेप लाइव्स, वी कैन शेप लाइव्स. जो अब हमारे पास बच्चे आते हैं वो एक्चुअली कच्ची मिट्टी का घड़ा जैसे बोलते हैं ना, वो कच्ची मिट्टी का घड़ा है. हम उसको जैसे शेप करना चाहें वो वैसे ही शेप हो जाते हैं, एंड आई हैव
Correct.
सीन इट एवरी डे हैपनिंग. आप उनको, only you need to touch their heart. This is
Correct.
what I feel every day in my class.
That's
You
important.
need to,
Important. Yeah.
yes, yes. Every day you need to, I mean, in every child, you need to look for that one thing,
Correct.
which is their strength, which they love. And if you will appreciate that,
Ji.
I mean, they are all for you. They can do anything for you. And I've seen happening it with me.
Yeah.
My students
Mm-hmm.
have reached different heights in their, I mean, life.
Mm-hmm.
Someone is cricketer,
Oh,
the
wow.
other one is a pilot,
I love
still
it.
another one a doctor, someone is musician, and after so many long years, 20 years, they remember me, they give me a call, they wish me Teachers Day. That give me immense pleasure that something I have done, कुछ तो किया है, जो इतने प्यारे बच्चे मुझे प्यार भी कर रहे हैं. तो
Absolutely.
really, teaching
No, but
has given me a lot.
but it is also a blessing to have a teacher like you. I'm sure आप बहुत blessed feel करते हो कि the kind of kids that you've dealt with. But I'm sure वो बच्चे जो आपको reach out कर रहे हैं, they equally feel blessed, because I'm sure आपने उस moment पे उनकी help की जब शायद वो खुद के बारे में नहीं जानते थे, because you chose to touch their hearts, and I think that is what is making you really beautiful. Um, But Ruchi, there's another aspect, another beautiful aspect of your life, which I would love to talk about, apart from teaching. That is mythology, right? So, when did, this mythology really enter your world in such a deep way? I mean, was it your childhood that got influenced by mythology, or was this a moment of insight later during your adulthood? Like, how did this come into your life? I'm really interested to understand.
So it was very much there from my inception in my mother's womb, I suppose. Because I've been brought up in such a family where the morning was थ्रू भगवान जी को भोग लगाना, चाय का भोग लगाना, बिस्किट का भोग लगाना. So I've seen my mother doing all this, my father, everybody in my family. I mean, everyone so devoted. So वो तो बचपन से ही था. और मुझे भी बहुत बचपन से ही भगवान से एक कनेक्ट कुछ है. आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज दैट, बट आई फील दैट. और वो भले से मेरे आंसू बन के टपके, या वो भजन सुनते सुनते कभी डांस करने लग जाऊं, कुछ भी, पर वो कनेक्ट है. एंड दैट आई कुड फील ऑल्सो कि देयर इज समथिंग, एंड स्पेशली विद कृष्णा. सो देयर इज समथिंग.
I know, I'm sorry I'm interrupting you here. I know Krishna happens to be काफी लोगों के favorite, including me, by the way. I am like a Krishna fan too. There was a lady, lady I think she was a guest in the podcast as well. She was also very much guided by Krishna's teachings, and I feel like Krishna शायद आज की दुनिया के भगवान है. मैं ऐसा मानती हूँ, right? Someone who really fits the kind of world that we are in, है ना? तो हाँ जी.
ऐसे लगता है कि जैसे हम जैसे ही कोई है,
जी
बहुत चार्मिंग, बहुत प्यारे, जो बहुत कुछ सिखा सकते हैं.
जी जी
शैतान भी है,
जी
प्यारे. मुझे तो उनमें भी एक स्टूडेंट ही नजर आता है, जिसको
बिल्कुल
कभी डांट भी सकते हैं, जिससे
बिल्कुल
बहुत कुछ सीख भी सकते हैं,
जी
जिसको खूब प्यार भी कर सकते हैं.
जी जी जी. No, I understand. And I'm sure आप इतने inspired, you got so inspired with mythology and wisdom that you started a YouTube channel on the same. And I mean, I see कि जहाँ पे आप mythology, and this is a beautiful channel, by the way, for my wonderful viewers out here. I'm putting in the link of her channel as well. Please go check it out. I think this is, this is something, वो ऐसा content बना रही हैं जो आपके दिल को सच में छूता है. Something which is not very public, but is hidden in under the treasures, if I may say, right? Under the treasures of mythology. तो आप ऐसे ऐसे गीत और ऐसे ऐसे beautiful, I mean, I'd let you speak about your YouTube channel, but I'm putting in the link of your YouTube channel here as well for my viewers to check out. Can you just talk about your YouTube channel as well? Yeah.
Yes, Sonakshi, actually, the beginning of the channel was totally, the credit go to my husband only,
Sure.
because I have one weakness, and that is the greatest one. I always do procrastination. I want to do everything. I want to do lot many things, but I procrastinate everything.
जी
Then he is the one who pushes me. And then he never gives me time also to think twice. He just
हाँ
keep pushing me, and
जी
till I don't start something, he will not stop. So same he did with me for this also. So the credit goes totally to him. But then the it goes like, मुझे भजन सुनना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. सुबह उठते ही खाना बनाना है, स्कूल जाना है, घर में भजन चलते ही रहेंगे, मैं
जी
सुनती ही रहूंगी. तो देन ही सेड, एंड अभी बीच में मुझे कुछ टाइम मिला, तो आई वॉज ऑल द टाइम स्क्रॉलिंग द रील्स एंड वेस्टिंग माई टाइम, सॉरी. Although I was somewhere satisfying my soul by listening to all those content, then he said, तुम्हारे अंदर भी इतना सारा है, तुम इतना भगवान को प्यार करती हो, तुम इतना गाती रहती हो, कभी पढ़ती हो, कभी कुछ करती हो, व्हाई नॉट टू क्रिएट समथिंग ऑफ योर ओन,
जी
जिसको देख के तुम्हें बाद में खुशी भी होगी, एंड अल्टीमेटली दैट विल बी योर ओन. सो दैट वाज समथिंग दैट गेव मी, you can say, encouragement to start that. And then we both together started that. At times I don't get time, then he does it, and when I get time, I make some videos. And of course, I am a beginner here, I am learning, and I could see the path is very very clear what I'm going to do, and I have lot in mind. I have started studying. I've gone to ISKCON temple, bought some books, and now I am thinking of making some content of my own where I could simplify the things. Like, सोनाक्षी, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं गीता में। जैसे हम एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं गीता का, गीता में इतनी सारी चीजें हैं जो रियली आपकी लाइफ के साथ रेजोनेट करती हैं।
कुछ शेयर
पर
कीजिए, मैं आपको यही बोलने वाली थी, कोई इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी आप शेयर कीजिए जो मतलब हम लोग को भी अच्छा लगेगा सुनने में। आई एम श्योर दीस वंडरफुल व्यूअर्स वुड लव टू लिसन टू यू।
आई हैव लर्नड अ लॉट फ्रॉम कृष्णा, एंड कृष्णा और सुदामा की एक स्टोरी जो मैंने अपने चैनल पे शेयर भी की है इन अ फॉर्म ऑफ भजन।
ओके।
वो स्टोरी ही मुझे बहुत सारे लेसन्स दे जाती है।
जी।
सी, हर स्टोरी में गुड एक्सपीरियंसेस भी होते हैं और बैड एक्सपीरियंस भी होते हैं।
जी।
आप शायद उस भजन को सुनेंगी तो आप उसको एक डिफरेंट लेवल पे परसीव करेंगी,
जी।
मैं उसको सुनूंगी तो मैं शायद डिफरेंट लेवल पे परसीव करूं। द
हम्म।
रीजन बीइंग कि आपका उस टाइम का, आपका मन उस वक्त कैसा है,
एग्जैक्टली।
आपके जीवन की स्थिति उस वक्त कैसी चल रही है। पर ये जरूर है कि भगवान की स्टोरी, भगवान का भजन कहीं ना कहीं आपके मन को जरूर छूता है।
जी।
Coming back to Krishna's and Sudama's story, so that small story, how when Sudama was not a, I mean, जब वो बिल्कुल ही गरीबी की स्थिति में आ गए थे, how his wife still showed trust on his friend,
राइट।
not knowing whether Krishna would help him or not. Still, the trust on friendship, one thing came from there. Then, I mean, no status matter nahi karta when you are friends.
करेक्ट।
That also became very clear from there. Krishna did not mind that I am a king and I am washing feet of a man who even does not have the sleepers on his feet. So वो सब चीजें कहीं ना कहीं दिल को छूती हैं और लेसन भी दे के जाती हैं। अब ये तो इसका पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट हो गया कि हमने सीखा दोस्ती, ट्रू फ्रेंडशिप, हमने सीखा ट्रस्ट ऑन फ्रेंडशिप, हमने सीखा कि देयर शेल नो, व्हेन यू आर फ्रेंड्स विद समवन, स्टेटस नेवर मैटर। बट इसमें मैंने ये भी सीखा, बीइंग डिसलॉयल टू अ फ्रेंड एट एनी मोमेंट यू हैव टू पे इट बैक, because your karma is not leaving you anywhere. It will come back to you. So, although it was the karma of Sudama, but then his friend Krishna helped him. So, yes, this is a small little story, but there are lot many stories.
What is
Everything's, yes.
वंडरफुल बिकॉज आप जो स्पेशली जो कृष्णा और सुदामा की स्टोरी सुना रहे हैं, आई फील लाइक यस, आर our scriptures out there are kind of, they're still teaching us कैसे आप अपनी ह्यूमैनिटी, अपने फ्रेंडशिप, अपने रिलेशनशिप्स को अलाइव रख सकते हैं despite economic status. And I mean, basically the focus is to stick to humanity, right? Despite whatever materialistic positions we are holding, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हम अपनी ह्यूमैनिटी को कभी जाने नहीं दे सकते, एंड दैट इज व्हाट दीज स्क्रिप्चर्स आर टीचिंग अस. सो आई थिंक आपने बहुत अच्छा एग्जांपल दिया, बहुत ही अच्छा एग्जांपल दिया ऑफ दिस वंडरफुल स्टोरी. एंड आई थिंक और शायद आप भी एग्री करोगे इस चीज से, दैट स्टोरी टेलिंग, it has the power to heal and guide people, right? What do you think about it? It does.
Absolutely, absolutely. As I said, Sonakshi, story हर कोई अपने लेवल से परसीव करता है,
Correct.
पर स्टोरी किसी के लिए एक्सपीरियंस बन जाती है, किसी के लिए लेसन बन जाती है. किसी स्टोरी से आप मोटिवेट हो जाते हो and you have another big life waiting for you after listening to a story.
Correct. I agree.
Like once I heard some story somewhere, I don't remember. That story was about ownership.
Okay.
And that story has been there in my heart. So there was a carpenter. He used to make so many beautiful houses with wood. He kept on making so many beautiful houses. And uh, now he decided to retire, to get retired. So he went to his boss. He said, अब मुझे और घर नहीं बनाना है. I am just stopping here. He said, okay, final, but you make the last one. He said, okay. But this time he took it as a burden because he was decided, मैं थक गया हूँ, मुझे और काम नहीं करना है. So the last house he made, he just made it for the sake of making. He did not make it so beautiful. He just completed the work and handed over the key to the owner. And the boss or the owner said that this is the house that you were making for yourself. So take the key and this is yours. And then he was all the time thinking that why did I not put in my heart in making this house. So this small story has somewhere left that feeling in my heart that every work that I will take in my hand, I will show complete ownership in that. And this is what I do. This
No,
is what I do in everything I do.
I see
I
that.
take
मैं अपने
it
काम में ये
and
देख
I
पा रही हूँ.
own it.
I definitely see that in your work. I mean, the way you're taking up your teaching, the way you're taking up your YouTube channel, and I'm sure, which I'm going to talk next, is your cooking. I'm sure आप अपनी ownership जरूर ले रहे हैं, and I guess I would regard your husband as well, who's being, you know, the wing beneath your wings, the wind beneath
Definitely.
your wings, yeah. So, but no, definitely. I mean, this is a story which truly motivates, and I think that's how I see stories really, you know, healing people and making changes in their life. You know, now the third aspect, coming to the third aspect of it, do you want to have water? Do you want to sip? Do you want to have water? Please
I'm
take a
okay.
sip. Okay. All right. So
Thank
along,
you.
no worries. Yeah, please do. Please do. So, you know, definitely, you know, alongside the storytelling and, you know, the mythology channel that you run and your, you know, your teaching, there's another aspect of your life, which is cooking. I know you're an amazing cook. तो ये cooking कब आपकी, you know, प्यार की परिभाषा बन गई? I see, I always have heard it कि आप जब भी किसी के लिए खाना बनाते हैं, it reflects the kind of love you have, you know. So how is it, like, how did this become your pyar ki paribhasha, if I may say?
So, Sonakshi, again, here I would love to tell you the funny and life changing part of my life. I
Ji, ji.
was never a cook.
Okay.
I knew nothing. I knew nothing. I knew nothing. So
Mhm.
it started when I got married. We got shifted to Dubai. So there, my husband was, since he was eating food outside, so he was so very keen to have home food. So
Wow.
that day he told me, रुचि आज दाल पीली दाल, he loves पीली दाल. So आज पीली दाल और चावल. And the पीली दाल I made. The water was it was it was hell. It was hell. Rice was all burnt, but somehow he did not say me anything. He managed. He took out those rice, he mixed mayonnaise, he put whatever dal was there, and then he appreciated me. But ये cook हो गए हैं रुचि. First time था, अच्छा है, अच्छे से cook हो गया है. And
Nice.
that changed my life. And for me, it was a cherry on the cake. My mother-in-law was a great chef,
Mhm.
right? Celebrity. I would say celebrity chef.
Now,
So
love.
when I came back Jaipur,
Mhm.
I joined her cooking classes.
Oh,
I
shit.
learned
In
from
class.
A to Z.
Oh, lovely.
Yes,
Oh,
she
nice.
used to see. She was an entrepreneur also,
Okay.
so she gave cooking classes. She used to be a celebrity at, cookery shows, and
Wow.
then he used to run a restaurant also.
Oh, lovely.
So I have experience
That's great.
of my mother-in-law with me. So now cooking would be a happiness for me again.
I'm
So that is something that brings love to my life.
I'm sure I can see that. मैं, you know, हर जो question, and I this is not just for cooking. जो भी question मैं आपको पूछ रही हूँ आपके different aspects के बारे में, I see that glow just immediately popping up on your face. तो वो चीज मैं definitely sense कर पा रही हूँ that all the things that you're into, they truly make a whole lot of difference in your life, and that's how it should be. I'm sure जो भी आप कर रहे हो वो perfect ही करोगे because I sense that you're happy, right? So, no, that's great.
Perfect तो नहीं पता, but I know one thing. Whatever I'll do, I'll put my heart into it.
No, I see
So
that. I definitely believe you. I believe you. ये कहा जाता है
thank
रुचि.
you for saying that.
No, I believe you. I mean, your body language is reflecting that, right? So, um, when it comes to food, ऐसा माना जाता है कि food में emotions होते हैं, right? So it's the person who's cooking that food, is kind of also putting in his or her emotions into the food that is being cooked, right? So, क्या आप भी ऐसा मानते हो? Do you think cooking is a form of your expression as well? Do you think so?
बिल्कुल मानती हूँ, बिल्कुल मानती हूँ। पहले तो सोनाक्षी हमारे घरों में भी हमें बताया ही जाता है कि जैसा मतलब जिस भाव से हम खाना बनाते हैं,
जी,
सामने वाला भी उसी भाव से उसे रिसीव करता है।
इसी
इसी
तरह.
वजह से जब हम मंदिर में जाके या लंगर में जाके प्रसाद खाते हैं,
जी,
तो हमें वो प्रसाद हमेशा अच्छा ही क्यों लगता है? क्योंकि वो
exactly.
बहुत प्यार से बनाया जाता है, वो बहुत श्रद्धा से बनाया जाता है। उसी तरह मैं ये मान के चलती हूँ, जब हम घर में प्योर हार्ट से, मन से खाना बनाते हैं, तो उस दिन वो खाना सबको अच्छा लगता है।
Mhm.
एंड जिस दिन कभी आपका मूड खराब है, तो उस दिन भले से खाना कितना भी अच्छा क्यों ना बनाओ, वो उतनी खुशी आपके घर वालों को नहीं दे पाता। और यहाँ पे भी मैं एग्जाम्पल साइट करना चाहूंगी मेरी
बिल्कुल.
डॉटर की। शी इज नंबर वन फूडी।
Is it?
सो
Okay. I'm a foodie too.
जैसे ही उसको खाना,
जी.
जब उसको खाना चाहिए
हम्म.
और लेट हो रही है,
हम्म.
तो उसका मूड चेंज होने लगता है और मुझे समझ आने लगता है कि अब कुछ हो रहा है और भूख ही लग रही है। एंड एज सून एज द फूड इज देयर विच इज ऑफ हर चॉइस, देन अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ तनिष्का कम्स आउट, हु इज सो लवली, प्यारी सी बच्ची। एंड इफ द फूड इज नॉट अप टू हर चॉइस, देन मम्मा आप तो मेरे को प्यार ही नहीं करते हो। तो डेफिनेटली फूड हैज इमोशंस।
Oh wow. This reminds me of my childhood also. I think मैंने भी ऐसे बहुत सारे tantrums throw किए with my own mother. And I think that link also comes especially because you have very high expectations when it comes to your mothers. और खाना जो माँ बना के दे रही है is definitely considered an expression of love. And if it is not what you want, then yes, बच्चे complain करते हैं कि आप प्यार नहीं करते हो. So I do understand where Tanishka is coming from. She's Tanishka, right?
शी इज
Tanishka?
तनिष्का।
Yeah, beautiful.
यस।
Beautiful name. Great. So आप एक cloud kitchen भी start करने वाले हैं, right? I mean, you
ट्रू
are,
ट्रू।
and this is, you've got your approvals, all the approvals have been received, and you're starting off your cloud kitchen.
Yes, we have taken all the government approvals.
Mhm.
So it is in the, it is in pipeline. Most probably 2026, we are seeing our cloud kitchen. I mean, hoping that it runs very good, it goes well. So yes, we are going to start with that.
I already know it, and I promise I'm going to be your first client there. Definitely, मैं आपकी cloud kitchen को जरूर experience करना चाहूंगी, and I'm sure all the wonderful people, who are watching and who are going to experience your kitchen, I'm sure they'll all have great things to say. क्योंकि uh, I think आपकी जो recipes आ रही हैं, and correct me, I'd love to know more about it. They are coming from your mother-in-law, and I think that only means that the recipes are going to be very authentic and very relevant to the kind of area that you belong. तो definitely authenticity सबको पसंद आती है, फिर चाहे वो खाने में है, personality में है, right? Anywhere it is. So tell me a bit about your cloud kitchen.
So again, I have experience of this because
Mhm.
My husband has, I mean, he has also run a restaurant. My
Mhm.
mother-in-law has run a restaurant, so I have experience. It is not something which is new to me. I
Correct.
have, I have worked with them both.
Mhm.
So I've been into this
Mhm.
from so many years. But
जी.
this time we are starting, I mean, alongside teaching,
Mhm.
alongside being creator,
जी.
I mean, creating some content of my own. I'm starting this also. And we have plans that we will start with. We will start on a small scale.
Mhm.
And if we get good response, definitely we are going to grow it like
I think
anything.
आपको बहुत अच्छा response मिला. There's no doubt about it. There's no second thought about it.
Right, Ruchi, this is interesting. So आपका क्लाउड किचन का जो आइडिया है, could you just tell me क्या विजन है? What kind of dishes are you planning to serve there? And truly मतलब क्या इंटेंशन है आपकी इस क्लाउड किचन को लेके?
So basically, हम तीनों इन
हम्म,
आवर फैमिली
हम्म,
हम तीनों ही खाने के शौकीन हैं.
जी.
हम जब खाना बाहर से मंगवाते हैं तो कभी हमें लगता है कि ये बहुत ज्यादा ऑयली है,
हम्म,
घर जैसी फील नहीं आती अगर हम बाहर से खाना मंगवा रहे हैं. क्योंकि देखो, खाना कब कोई मंगाता है, या तो कोई किसी के घर में पार्टी है, दे
करेक्ट.
आर ऑक्यूपाइड, दे डिड नॉट गेट टाइम, या फिर भाई अब कुछ बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं जो जैसे हम जयपुर में रहते हैं, बहुत सारे बच्चे स्टडी के पर्पज से यहाँ आए हैं, बहुत सारे बच्चे जॉब पर्पज से यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं. सो
करेक्ट.
हर कोई घर का खाना अब नहीं मिल पा रहा, तो घर का खाना जैसा कुछ चाहता है हर कोई. सो
जी.
मेरा क्लाउड किचन घर जैसा खाना ही सर्व करेगा.
That's great. That is
ऑल्दो
great.
यस, आई विल डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू टेक केयर कि किस तरह का ऑयल मैं यूज कर रही हूँ. सो मनी इज सेकेंडरी. डेफिनेटली मनी इज देयर.
Yeah, yeah, of course.
आई नो. आई मीन, आई वांट टू हैव समथिंग which will stand me in the later half of my life, which will help
Mhm.
me to stand in the later half of my life,
जी.
which would help me earn.
Correct.
Definitely that is somewhere there in my mind.
जी.
But उसके साथ ये जरूर है, आई एम गोइंग टू सर्व प्योरिटी.
That's very important.
आई विल नेवर रन आफ्टर अर्निंग मोर एंड मोर. अच्छा जाएगा, कम आएगा कोई दिक्कत नहीं है,
जी.
बट अच्छा जाएगा तो आई विल बी एबल टू रिटेन माई कस्टमर. एंड मेरा कस्टमर डेफिनेटली
Retain होगा.
डेफिनेटली मुझे चूज करेगा बार 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 और बार बार. एंड दिस इज व्हाट इज in mind, in me also, and in my husband also, that definitely we are going to serve purest. जो हम खुद खाते हैं वही दूसरों को भी खिलाने वाले हैं.
आई थिंक यही चीज जो है ना वो मुझे बहुत डिस्टिंक्ट लगती है बिकॉज आई फील लाइक आज की डेट में खाना न्यूट्रिशन कम और जहर ज्यादा हो गया है. And if you are, because I know you come from that teaching thought process, and you're a teacher as well, so I'm sure you want to offer to the especially kids जो लोग office से आ रहे हैं, या if they are if they're coming from their schools and they want those nice घर का mama वाला खाना, which obviously they miss when they're outside, or when they move away from their their houses. So I'm sure that's the kind of food अगर उनको मिलेगा, it'll really keep them healthy, and at the same time वो mama की जो वो touch जो है, I think that is what they're going to get through your food. I think that's a great idea. And I am very excited about it. तो प्लीज हम लोग भी आपका कस्टमर हैं. आई एम श्योर. अभी तो आप यूर इन राजस्थान, जयपुर, राइट? जयपुर, जयपुर.
यस यस.
राइट. सो
हाँ
जयपुर
हाँ.
में कभी भी आएंगे तो डेफिनेटली वी हैव टू ट्राई योर फूड एज वेल, बिकॉज आई फील लाइक, एंड आई नो because you're doing such a noble, you have purpose behind जो आप business setup करना चाह रहे हो. So I'm sure it is going to reach the stage of going all across India and then the world as well. So that's my best wish for you.
थैंक यू सोनाक्षी. एंड सोनाक्षी, यहाँ पे भी मैं ये चीज आपको बताना चाहूंगी व्हाट इज माय फीलिंग अबाउट दिस। सी,
जी
मैं जब स्कूल से आती हूँ,
जी
कभी कभी इतनी थकी होती हूँ। आई हैव अ सपोर्टिव फैमिली। मेरी
करेक्ट
डॉटर ही खूब सपोर्टिव है कि शी इज total, she can cook everything, so
ओ लवली
she is total support to me. But everyone is not that lucky.
करेक्ट करेक्ट दैट
बहुत
आई
सारे लोग ऐसे होते हैं where both, I mean, husband wife both are working.
जी
Sometimes they are, I mean, most of the time they are tired, so they want कि उनको घर जैसा खाना मिल जाए. So this is what is इन द माइंड दैट हम उनको घर जैसा खाना ही प्रोवाइड करने वाले हैं, जिसमें वो
एब्सोल्युटली
श्योर हो सकते हैं कि अगर वो मस्टर्ड ऑयल में खाना चाहते हैं तो उनको मस्टर्ड ऑयल में ही मिल
में
रहा है,
ही मिलेगा
उनको
राइट
रिफाइंड नहीं सर्व किया
Yeah,
जाएगा.
आजकल
एंड
oils
देयर
is a
आर,
big
यस,
problem. Oils is a big problem. I know.
यस, सो वो सब छोटी छोटी चीजों का, देखिए, छोटी छोटी चीजों से ही यू मेक अ डिफरेंस.
Correct.
एंड
I
वो हम धीरे धीरे, क्योंकि मैंने आपको बोला मैंने मदर इन लॉ के साथ भी काम किया, मेरे हस्बैंड ने भी काम किया है,
agree.
तो इतने सालों में ये सब चीजें हम देख चुके हैं कि क्या चीज लोगों के लिए अच्छी नहीं है
नहीं
और
है.
क्या
Agreed.
चीज उनके लिए अच्छी है.
अच्छी
तो
है. Agreed.
डेफिनेटली, गॉड फॉरबिड, गलत तो बिल्कुल नहीं करना
नहीं
है,
है.
पर
अच्छी
अच्छा
बात.
बहुत सर्व करना है.
आप बहुत अच्छा सर्व करोगे. I already know it. And you know the viewers out here, you know, if you're ever in Jaipur, please go check out her kitchen. You know, as soon as I'm sure, you know, आपकी kitchen जैसे inaugurate होती है, we have to, you know,
भोजन
have you
बॉक्स,
say that
इट्स
again.
भोजन बॉक्स,
Bhoj, oh,
भोजन बॉक्स.
sweet. That's such a nice name. So Bhojan
Yes, it's
Box, you know,
भोजन.
that's the name of the kitchen. Oh yes, you know, you've had all the approvals. So yes, I'm sure you've had to decide your name as well. So Bhojan Box is coming in soon in Jaipur, and please go check it out. This is a wonderful motherly family setup. And for all those who are looking for home food outside their houses, that is where you go. And that is where you experience that motherly touch in food. हमेशा कहा जाता है कि माँ का खाना is the most पौष्टिक, is the most amazing food. Um, that is exactly what you can experience here as well. And I am already, you know, my mouth is watering already because this is breakfast time for us. तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है ऐसा कुछ भोजन बॉक्स मुझे भी मिल जाए तो अच्छा रहेगा. So yeah,
Dude,
नहीं नहीं
close your
definitely.
eyes and sit there.
I know. No, no, I have to come to Jaipur and I have to experience this. I know. Um,
Sure, sure. You're most
definitely,
welcome.
definitely. But tell me this, Ruchi. आप इतनी new चीजें कर रहे हो. You know, you've taken up such new initiatives. Did you ever feel like afraid or unsure about starting something new? मतलब कैसा लगा आपको? Like, what was that experience? क्या आपने वो fear experience किया? And if you did, how did you overcome it?
See, Sonakshi, I told you, no, I am a procrastinator.
Yeah,
मैं तो चीजों को लिंगर ऑन ही करती हूँ,
जी,
बट आई हैव अ पुश बिहाइंड मी जो मुझे
right.
रुकने ही नहीं देते.
That is
तो
amazing.
मैंने फेयर एक्सपीरियंस किया ही नहीं, क्योंकि फेयर एक्सपीरियंस करने के लिए टाइम ही नहीं मिला. स्टार्ट
Mhm.
करना है, और जब
Mhm.
स्टार्ट किया, टू माय सरप्राइज, इट टर्न्ड आउट टू बी वेरी गुड.
Yeah, it did. It
जो
did.
भी
I mean, wonderful channel you had. Yeah.
आई वुड नॉट शन फ्रॉम सेइंग इट, मैं जॉब भी शायद स्टार्ट नहीं करती.
अरे
उसके लिए
अरे
भी मुझे उसके लिए भी मुझे पुश दिया गया था. बट
जी
देन, आफ्टर द पुश, द थिंग्स वर इन माय हैंड, एंड I would love to praise me myself here,
of course you
that I
should.
have crafted those things very well. That when I
Yes,
look back, I am happy that whatever I have done, I have very good moments there. मेरे
correct.
पास बहुत अच्छी अच्छी यादें, बहुत
बिल्कुल
प्यारी प्यारी फीलिंग्स है.
जी
सो शायद कुछ तो अच्छा किया ही है.
100% ना मैं भी यही चीज बोलने वाली हूँ रुचि that I'm sure you've given credit to your husband and I'm sure he's the person who's initiated this thing in you
I
but
somewhere feel,
उनको उनको कुछ
I
दिखा होगा ना आप
yes,
में कुछ amazing दिखा होगा कुछ, right? That is why he decided to, motivate you and push you. So I'm sure you are, undercrediting yourself. I'm sure you need to give yourself a pat on the back and say that you've done it and you're doing it and you'll keep continuing it. So no, keep up your good work. I think we are all very proud of you. The audience, at least we are extremely proud of you. So yeah, please keep up your good work. And
Yes,
you know,
yes.
my last interesting question, and this is again मैं इस चीज को लेके बहुत curious हूँ जानने में, that you know how are you maintaining a balance between being a creator, a teacher, an entrepreneur, and at the same time a mom, a wife? So how do you manage that balance? How do you do that?
Again, here I would say a supportive family is required.
Yeah, I see
I
that.
would not say that I have struggled, I have done this, I always had that support. Be
Mhm.
it my husband, be it my daughter, I always had both of them by my side. And then the best thing in my life is
Ji,
I love doing whatever I am doing. Whatever I do, I love that.
sure.
So it's not a job for me. When I am a
Yeah,
teacher, I am
yeah,
not doing just teaching. I am loving my students. I
right,
am
right,
loving where I'm standing. So
correct.
when you are enjoying what you're doing, seriously, tiredness is physical only. Mentally, I am never stressed.
Never, never.
When mentally I'm not stressed, I am able to manage the things.
Ji.
I I get time to make videos for my channel,
Mhm.
and then I get time to cook food. Then if I am really tired, if I have some other important work to do, then my
Mhm.
daughter is always there. I tell you, she cooks really very well. So
Lovely.
I really I didn't face much struggle. I am a happy go person, and I'm a blessed soul also
I'm so
when it
happy.
comes to the people around me.
I'm
They are
so
very
happy. I'm
good.
so happy you acknowledge that, because not a lot of people acknowledge that they are blessed. And I feel like that is what is making you unconventional. And no, I mean, kudos to people like you who are, acknowledging all the blessings around them. And मैं ये भी कहना चाहूंगी, this is something which I'd love to add, is that अगर शायद one liner होता कि आप balance कैसे maintain कर रहे हैं, I think it's your happiness which is, making you do things continuously. And yes, your family's support cannot be undercredited as well. So no, that's great, that's fabulous. All right, Ruchi, I think we've had a lot of, amazing discussion around, your life and your choices. But at the same time, I, now would love to move on to a very fun section of the podcast, which is a rapid fire. Is that something you'd be interested in? Would you be interested in it?
It is going to be fun. I'm sure.
I'm sure you're a
Whole
fun person. Ji,
See, whole podcast I've
ji.
enjoyed. मुझे बहुत
I
मजा आ रहा
know.
है.
I
And
can
you are such a
see.
lovely person, I must tell you.
Oh, thank you. That's so sweet of you to say. So are you. I'm telling you, I am enjoying. These conversations are all about fun and just, asking people about what they really enjoy. And I think that's the concept of the show. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आपके साथ बात करके. And I think I'd
Same
love
here.
to.
बहुत मजा आ रहा है मुझे भी.
Likewise,
मुझे भी
likewise.
बहुत मजा आ रहा है.
So sweet. So sweet of you to say that. I think that's so nice of you to say. All right, we'll move on to the rapid fire section. Now, you just have to say one word. Don't overthink. ये सिर्फ fun के लिए है. And that's how we're going to keep it, all right? Um, Here we go. So, your favorite mythological character?
Krishna,
That I know. ये answer मुझे पहले से पता था. All right. Your comfort dish to cook?
khichdi.
Khichdi. Okay.
It's my comfort dish.
I agree. I love it too. A dish you love to eat but hate cooking. That's a tough one, is it?
Hummus kabus.
क्या 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 फिर से बताओ?
Hummus, it is an Arabic dish.
Okay.
Hummus and kabus and falafel.
You have to
It
say that
takes
again. This
a
was a
lot of
complicated name. This was a complicated name. Say that again now. क्या बोलते
hummus,
हैं dish को?
kabus, hummus.
Hummus
It's a,
kabus.
I mean, it's a dish. Hummus
Okay.
is a dip.
Hummus.
Then
Oh, as in,
khabus is
oh,
bread.
yeah. Yes. Okay, hummus.
Hummus, hummus, right.
Hummus. And
Hummus, khabus,
khabus is
and
what? Is
then
is that like a
falafel.
bread? Is that like a
It's a
bread?
it's a bread. It's a
Oh,
bread. Yes.
okay. Okay.
So it's somewhat like pita bread, right?
Pita
So
bread.
it's
Okay.
take whole long a day. It takes a day to cook all these
Acha.
three things.
Oh, really?
I love to, but then
It's
I
very
always
difficult to cook.
avoid whenever I get mama ye bana do. I always keep on delaying
Procrastinating.
this. अगले हफ्ते.
Nice. हम सबकी वीकनेस होती है, so I do understand. It's fine. I know ये dishes मुश्किल हैं, definitely. Okay, what about this? A story
Time
you
get tiring है.
I know that I can sense. I know hummus is. मैं शायद hummus के बारे में तो definitely बोल सकती हूँ, but वो pita bread I don't know how मतलब वो शायद और भी मुश्किल होती होगी, right? Um,
नहीं बस कुकिंग है तो थोड़ा सा आई मीन यू हैव टू स्टैंड यू हैव टू नीड द डो फिर
तो
उसके
yeah,
बाद रोटी जैसे बनाना है उसको वेट करना है उसको डो को फर्मेंट होने देना
ferment
है
होने
सो
देना.
इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम एंड
Time
यू
and
आर
effort.
स्टैंडिंग
Correct.
मेरे को तो सोना भी पसंद है
Correct. All right. A story you can never get tired of telling.
सी अगेन कृष्णा स्टोरीज
Krishna story, na? I
कृष्णा
know.
स्टोरीज ऑल द टाइम
They're all
आई बिन
close to my heart
मतलब
too.
मैं बड़ी हुई हूँ सुन सुन के
जी.
बड़ी हुई हूँ सुन सुन के और वही सब चीजें जब मतलब तनिष्का छोटी थी तो उसको भी मैंने वही स्टोरीज बार
सुनाई.
बार शायद सुनाई और आज भी मैं भूलती नहीं हूँ और
Mhm.
वही स्टोरीज ढूंढ ढूंढ के मैं
जी.
अपने चैनल पे भी डाल रही हूँ सो
It's
दैट
great.
समवेयर पीपल ऑल्सो नो दैट दिस इज व्हाट आई एम लविंग
Yeah, and this is also
सो
a way
इफ
for
दे लव डू कम टू माय चैनल एंड
yeah,
सी दैट
definitely. पता है मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है आपसे बात करके ना the channel that you're running has a very of course mythological content के बहुत channels हैं but what I'm really sensing is unique about your channel is कि आप ना बहुत सारा वो होता है ना पाइल जो जो कंटेंट बहुत दब गया होता है इट्स हिडन अंडर ट्रेजर्स कि बहुत ज्यादा हाईलाइटेड नहीं है बट इट डज टेक यू बैक टू योर चाइल्डहुड आई थिंक यू आर ट्राइंग टू फाइंड दैट कंटेंट एंड ब्रिंग इट to your channel and I think that is what makes it really distinct. So no, I am a subscriber already and I'm sure people would love to know what is hidden, what is lost. कहते हैं ना वो lost wisdom जो होती है उसको हमेशा ढूंढने में वक्त लगता है. That is where you put in that effort and people want to know it. So I think that is what people can get out of your channel. So great, good job there. All right, we'll continue with the podcast. Tea or coffee? Tea. That's the rapid fire. Tea or podcast? Tea or coffee?
टी
Okay.
टी
Sweet or
ऑलवेज अ
savory?
टी
Yeah, I love tea too. Yes.
स्वीट
Sweet is it? I love sweet too. नहीं, but मुझे savory भी अच्छा लगता है. I love savory also, but I am a lover of sweet. I like seriously. I have a sweet tooth.
I am a
Yes,
foodie.
me too.
I am a foodie. I love everything. But when it comes to sweet, no
Listen,
one
my
can beat
mouth is
that.
already watering now. आपने इतनी सब interesting चीजें बता दी है ना. I have to really cook something nice after the podcast. All right. A life motto you live by.
Action speaks louder than words.
Correct.
This is what
Correct.
I feel.
I agree. I agree.
You
If
have
you
to act to
Yeah, you
show.
have to. You have to. No, that's true. Otherwise, बातों में हम बहुत बातें कर सकते हैं, but it really has to show up in your actions as well. All right. So one thing you are proud of this year.
Taking initiative and starting my YouTube channel
Yes, that we are
and
also very proud.
initiating with the process of
Your
Bhojan
cloud
Box.
kitchen,
And
yes,
initiating with the process of Bhojan Box.
which finally is now
Obviously.
completed. It's now completed, right?
Yes,
So
it is completed. It
go
is
for it. Go
completed.
for it. You go, girl. You go. Cheers. All right. So, if you could learn any skill instantly, what would that be?
So for me, see, I'm a beginner in
Mm-hmm.
this YouTube world.
Mm-hmm.
So I would love to learn many technological things which would actually hone my skill, which
Yeah,
will excel me in this field also. Because
correct.
right now I am very new
Yeah,
and
yeah.
I am not, I mean, a pro with technology. I want to
Fair.
learn these kind of things more. Maybe I may learn some courses. I mean enroll for some courses to learn more.
Absolutely.
So whenever I get time, definitely I'm going to do that.
No, I think that's a fabulous idea because you already have a lot of subscribers who are watching you. That only means कि लोग आपको देखना चाहते हैं. So it's you can always go better and better. Yeah, taking up a course is a great idea. No, that's great, Ruchi. Thank you so much for this beautiful conversation. आपने जिस तरह से अपनी अपनी teaching journey या अपनी cooking journey के बारे में बताया or just cooking with intention or running your YouTube channel. I think everyone out there who's listening to you, I'm sure they must have been motivated in their own ways listening to your life stories. And I think you must continue spreading these beautiful stories through the different mediums, if that even if that medium is teaching or a YouTube channel, or you express your love through your Bhojan Box Cloud Kitchen. I think all these things are fabulous, and you are on the right track, and we are very proud of you. And I'm extremely thankful to for the time you gave and for the kind of information that you spread out here. I am really thankful for that, and I am totally looking forward to having you again someday on the show. And our best wishes.
So much, Sonakshi. And thank you so much for having me here. I really enjoyed. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा and really you are such a sweetheart and God bless you and keep doing this good work. You are already doing so good work. I've seen so many different people on your podcast and all different people having different flavors and you're doing really great. You're picking up people who are really different and I enjoyed listening to the podcast. Rider, tarot card readers, and really you are an excellent girl. You're doing your
Thank
job
you.
very well.
Thank you. This means a lot to me. Coming from a person like you, I think this really means a lot for me. And please, keep encouraging us. And I think that's how the world goes. Because आप जैसे beautiful लोग, आप जैसे wonderful souls अगर encourage करते हैं, तो that brings out the best from us as well. No, I think on this beautiful note, I'd like to say bye-bye, and enjoy your cloud kitchen and your journey all the time. And big thanks to your family as well, who's been supporting people like you, right? So, no, great.
Really.
Thank you
They
so
are
much.
Too good.
Too good.
Thank
I
you
agree.
so much.
Thank you. Ram Ram.
Ram Ram.
Bye bye. Take care.
God bless you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.